Morning. About to do some creek fishing adventures today. I am planning to go in town to this place I've been looking at, driving by a few times. Looks like a smaller watering hole. I fished about a half a mile down the way last week and caught a bunch of fish, so I'm gonna try and see if we can get after it. It looks like probably a deep hole underneath this bridge I'm gonna start at. Don't know if I can park there, but we'll see. So tune in. Alright, so I've never been here before, so you guys are seeing it the same as I am. I don't think I can get down that way. Shoot. Oh, going down. Gonna get poison oak and all that. Oh, don't get your rod stuck. Oh. Okay, I'll climb on this cable. Oh. And today, I'm waiting. Okay, got my confidence bait on, and this looks like a deep hole, so I'm gonna stand back from it and cast into it, hopefully not spook the fish. Got one. Heyo, Smalley. Look at that. Easy now, buck. Barely had him too. Smalley. Beautiful, healthy little guy. Kind of fat for this little creek. Look at that dude. Cool, man. Thank you. Thank you for playing. Slime me all up. Okay, so usually, my past experience in a hole like this, where there's one, there's two, and got another. Oh, that's a decent size. Dude, he is putting up a fight. You done, man? Ooh, that's the guy that hit it earlier. That dude is decent. I'm right in the lip, bottom lip. Come on, dude. That is a solid smallmouth. Oh, second cast, 2 casts in a row. Dude, look at that beast. Very nice. I gotta get a photo of that guy. Okay, we're back downriver. There are small little pockets here. I'm not sure if there's anything in there. You can certainly work them. Down. Really got to be careful. I mean, I don't know if you can see it, but this is all normally covered in water when it's flowing heavier, so it's slippery. Got rapids here, and then there's a pool at the end, so I mean, that's just screaming smallies to me. I don't know about you. Yeah, it's just so murky. Fish on. Minnow is a bait fish. So, 2 species. That's a bait fish. Thank you for playing. All snagged up. And that's what you do, you keep moving. If you don't like what you see, keep moving. Sometimes they'll sit at the back of this pool right before it goes down the rapids. Sometimes. Keyword. And again, I'm not doing a very good job at looking out for snakes, but tons of those fish. Actually, let's hit this. Oh, there's like a, I don't know if you can see him, there's a beaver. Or, I'm not sure what that is. See him? He's right there. He's coming out to us on the rock. He's checking out something. Maybe he's coming to fish. He's right there. See him? He's crawling right in front of me. I will get out of your home as soon as I can, bud, I promise. Oh, he's really zipping. Bites there. Okay, let's go down here. Got a bird. He's probably fishing too. Sorry, buddy. Nothing over here. I didn't bring any water, anything. No beer. What's wrong with me? Can't even have coffee yet. Okay, this definitely looks deeper. It's so murky. I don't know how deep this gets. And it's getting deep. It's past. Personally, I would crankbait that. Gets those fish off the bottom, the aggressive feeders, and gets you on some possible sizable bass. Got one. Fish on, baby. And it's a rock bass. I didn't think I'd see those in here, to be honest. Not sure why I thought that. Dude, that's a nice size. Rock bass. Got the black tips, red eyes. Healthy little guy. Oh yeah. Thanks for playing. Okay. He caught it on almost close to me, a deep retrieve. But I did catch him off the shoal. Maybe he chased me there. I did not think I'd see a rock bass. So that's a third species today. And another fish. Fish on. Yeah. Come on, Betsy. Oh, dude, that's nice. Oh, is that a smallie? Dude, he is fighting. All right. Oh. I was over here playing around with him because I wanted to feel the fight, and he spit my lure. That was the biggest smallie of the day, I'm not gonna lie. Really bummed I missed that. Dang. Alright, we'll get on another. Got something. Fish on. Smallie. No, that was a largemouth. That's two now. And you know why? Okay, you can't see it in the video, but I have crimped barbs, and that's why. And for those of you that don't know about crimped barbs, there's some rivers and streams in California that you can't have barbs on your hooks. So you have to crimp them or smash them down, and you know, it ruins your lure, but kind of evens the playing field for the fish, and I think that's the thought process there. So bait. There's some deeper holes right down here. Holy egret, whatever the heck that thing is. It's not an egret. Tell you that. Oh, got one. Hey, new species. Bluegill? I don't know. I can't tell the difference between green sunfish and bluegill. Tell me online. It's got blue here, orange on its tails, fins. Yep, on the tail too. It's a pretty looking fish. Doesn't have a red breast, so I don't know. But that is the fourth species. Nice. Hammered it too. Sorry guys, I wasn't filming, but got another rock bass. Don't hook me, please. Got him. So there's a construction site up here. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to. I've got 5 more minutes on my SD card and battery's running low, but I'm going to turn back and fish back up the bank. Nice little guy. Thank you for playing. So SD card is running out, so I'm going to close this video out. Literally been fishing for an hour. I've only waded maybe 300 yards of creek, and caught 4 species. Got rock bass, green sunfish, minnow, and a couple smallies. And I lost a few. Lost a largemouth and a smallie of decent size. I'm going to go back and fish that hole. But thanks for tuning in. And this is Middle Tennessee fishing, creek fishing at its best. So thanks. Have a good day.